What's up guys, Chris from Reform here. Weekly workout tip, going to show you the pull-up. I'm not going to get into kipping variations. I'm not a fan of it unless you're a CrossFit athlete, and even then I'm kind of skeptical of it because I think it's rough on the shoulders. But that's an argument for another day. So we're going to do strict pull-ups. We're going to go about shoulder width apart with our grip. Then we're going to come all the way up, chin getting over the bar, coming down nice and slow. And then we want to get to the bottom and let there be an upward rotation of the scapula without bottoming out and hurting that shoulder joint. So what you'll see a lot of times is people come and they don't get their chin over the bar, or they get up there and then they bang at the bottom. Okay, that's bad on your shoulders as well. So we want to be controlled all the way through the movement rather than trying to go faster or get more reps or whatever. There's no shame in using assistance. So you can put a band on the J-hooks like this, or you can put a band up here and use your feet or your knee. So I'll stand on the band just like this, and you perform the same movement. Obviously it makes it easier, but to me quality reps are going to be better than kind of bad reps, obviously. I was going to say something else, but I don't want to curse on my video. So banded reps are going to be better than bad reps. Alright, so if you have any questions on the pull-up, shoot me an email, chris@reformedathletes.com, or leave a comment below.